So Bitcoin Cash to $275. Is it possible? Let's break this down off of the price chart in a simplistic way so that it's not confusing. So let's go to talk about it because I did the price prediction in Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see it. Here it is right there on November the 14th, 2023. Looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to go lower. It did just that. Came shy of our ultimate TP price right there on the 21st of November. But then when you look at today's price action, let me extend this over a little bit to the right. You can see that the market even came a second time to our ultimate area TP around 210. So that's a pretty good call. Like the market gave us two opportunities to come through and see this profit come to fruition. And let's go and get rid of it. 10.42% right there, maybe like 10 and a quarter. Let me see. 9.58% right there. Okay, so now let's talk about this $275 target. Okay, is it possible? It is possible. But let's talk about the reason why I say that. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify this area to where we have noticed market buying. Okay, so this area right here in Bitcoin Cash is definitely seen as a potential area of buy zone. This is where buyers come through the market in Bitcoin Cash and they buy. Why would I say that? Well, because price doesn't go no lower than that level. And it happened again today. So this is a buy zone. So this is why there's still a potential to see the price action in Bitcoin Cash run to 275. Now, the problem though is noticing the sell area, the sell zone, which is right here. This is where the sellers in Bitcoin Cash are hitting the market in Bitcoin Cash right there. So this is the next hurdle for the buyers. They need to take out the sellers just below 270. Don't expect the market to hit 275 if the buyers can't take out 270 first of the sellers. And you can tell that those sellers are still in the market in Bitcoin Cash from these daily time frames right there. December the 6th, as well as December the 9th. Those 2 days, the buyers attempted to take those sellers out of 270 and they wasn't successful. Now, given today's price action, you can see that the demand in Bitcoin Cash is still there, but it's all the way down there around $213, $212. We need to see the demand up here around 260, 250 in order for us to really see that market potential to run to 275. Okay. And given how wide this spread is today in the market of Bitcoin Cash, you can kind of tell that those buyers really wasn't interested at 255, 250. It had to take the price in Bitcoin Cash to come all the way down to 215 before they began to buy the bargain in Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash on the 1 hour chart. You can see here that currently we're holding support in the market around 230. Not a negative thing, not a positive thing. It's just a tradable market. I want to show you the 3-day chart into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We are getting a indicator of weakness right there. Okay, an up fake, which is pretty much in line with where we've seen price get rejected already on the 3-day time frame. We got a weakness bar here back on October the 22nd. Another up fake was created at that same buy area. At that same price level. So this is not a coincidence that they're still selling at that price, at the high of that 3-day price bar. It's not a surprise. Okay. Here it is on the 5. We have 11 hours and 58 minutes. And it still looks weak when you combine the prior 5-day price bar. The market still looks weak. So yes, can the market of Bitcoin Cash run to 275? It can, but I'm here to tell you that there's a lot of selling pressure around 270, 265. In order for the market to really hit 275, it has to take those two areas out first. Take a look at this on the weekly chart. Bitcoin Cash on the 2, Bitcoin Cash on the 3, and let's look at this on the hourly time frame. Here it is on the 1, Bitcoin Cash on the 7. Bitcoin Cash on 330-minute chart. It is on the 45-minute chart. Okay, so it looks to me like at least initially the market wants to go higher. It may just go up to the high of this massive down bar and then begin another move lower. Okay. So yeah, we need to consider the price action today. Like, to get a spread this wide into the market of Bitcoin Cash is just not by coincidence. It caught a lot of people off guard. And it's kind of like the market's trying to reclaim that lost move on how fast this market went down. So now they're trying to come back up and pick up everyone else who didn't have opportunity to break even or put on a new position, wiped out a couple of people, and now more people needs to come on board to continue to allow Bitcoin Cash to go lower in price. So from a time frame perspective, is the market in Bitcoin Cash ready to hit 275 right now? I don't think so. I don't think the market in Bitcoin Cash is ready to hit that 275. Okay. Maybe we need to see another opportunity for this market to go lower, test this trend line again, and then we might see more buyers. If we see that, then I do think the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to test that upside sell zone up here around 260. Okay, so I think we're going to go down and then try to go up. So let me do this. So I'm going to look forward to maybe 229 first as my first target, 2.13% there. My second target will be around 220, 6.25, and the third target will be in this buy zone around 216, 7.92% there. Okay, so that's it. But all in all, like if you're a buyer into the market Bitcoin Cash, if you're looking for the price to go up, we're still in line with that, right? The overall trend hasn't been broken in Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see that it is still trending and it's still following that trend line, even though we can see price did break or crack that trend line today. That is something that you need to keep your eyes open on though. Okay, so that is it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.